Welcome to the Voice of UK. This is Elizabeth Dale. The Supreme Court of Azad Jammu and Kashmir will celebrate its Golden Jubilee and host a judicial conference from 11th to 13th September 2025, marking 50 years of its establishment. The announcement was made by Chief Justice AJ&K, Justice Rajaseed Akram Khan. The three-day events will feature Justice Yahya Afridi, Chief Justice of Pakistan, as the chief guest. The Chief Justices and judges of Pakistan's superior judiciary, heads of bar councils and associations from Gilgit-Baltistan and AJ&K, the federal law minister, attorney general, advocate generals, senior law officers, former chief justices and judges, legal experts, senior journalists, and intellectuals from across Pakistan and AJ&K are expected to attend. The Supreme Court of AJ&K completed 50 years on 10th May 2025, with Golden Jubilee events originally scheduled for 8th 10th May. However, the program was postponed after India launched unprovoked aggression on the night of 6th 7th May, targeting mosques and civilian populations in AJ&K and Pakistan, resulting in the martyrdom of several innocent citizens, including women and children. Following a decisive response by Pakistan's armed forces, the celebrations have now been rescheduled. The Chief Justice of AJ&K and the honorable judges expressed gratitude to the Chief Justice of Pakistan and all participants for their earlier willingness to attend, and reaffirmed that the September dates will mark this historic milestone.